In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the Snapchat device ban problem on both iPhone and Android. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to fix the Snapchat device ban problem, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type snapchat.com/support and click on search. Now scroll down and click on this contact us option. Then select this second option that says I cannot access my account. Then scroll down and click on I see an error message when I log in. Scroll down one more time and in front of this still need help option, click on yes. Okay, now in order to fix the Snapchat device ban problem, you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter your Snapchat account username. After that, you need to enter the email address and mobile number that was linked with your Snapchat account. And then most importantly, you need to write the name of the device which was banned from using Snapchat. Make sure that you write the full name. For example, if you are using an iPhone, you need to write iPhone 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, whatever you are using. Then you need to mention the date on which your device was banned from using Snapchat. And in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have given in the description below. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, Snapchat device ban problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.